Sorry, the sound quality in this might be a little bit less, but here's what I want to see to convince me that people didn't just use Desmos to graph this. Okay, so here's what I recommend doing. So I'm looking at the cosecant function, and I know the reciprocal of cosecant is sine. So what I'm going to do is work with the sine function, and then we'll sketch in the cosecant function. So I see a sine function that has an amplitude of 1, and I know because the b number in front of the x is just 1, that tells me the period is 2 pi. And I also know that this is shifted left pi units. And because there's nothing after this, I know the midline is the x-axis. So I'll draw my xy axis, and I'll label out, one period this way and one period this way, and of course positive 1, negative 1. And then I'll sketch in the critical point. So what I did to graph this is, here, let me go to a different color. I know this function shifted left pi unit, so I started there, and there's a turning point, another turning point, another turning point. There's one cycle, and then I just decided to graph some more. Okay, and then I dotted in the sine graph that's represented there. Then since I know when the sine graph is equal to 0, there's going to be a vertical asymptote, so I sketched in the vertical asymptotes at every place the sine graph crosses the x-axis. And then I sketched in the cosecant graph, and of course we know those just come down and touch the sine or secant and cosine if it's that graph, like that, and I want to follow those vertical asymptotes. So when I see something like this, I know that you actually processed it and didn't just throw it into Desmos and got the graph, okay? So try to do it this way.